Hello, it's Mr. Mace, and I'm excited to be back at Providence High School for another exciting year of computer science instruction and learning. This course is Python Programming 1, and we're excited to have you and your families participate in this course. We'll learn the Python programming language and be able to program the computers to do what it is we want them to do. The course will conclude with a certification exam that is your proof of learning for this particular course. Again, I am excited to have you participate in this class and look forward to working with each of you every day. A little bit about myself. I've been teaching for about 27 years, former math teacher, and I've been teaching here at Providence for 8 years, doing computer programming for the last 7. I'm married to my wife, Teresa. We just celebrated our 33rd anniversary this past July, and we have 3 wonderful children. Jeffrey is our oldest son, and he is a youth and children's minister up in the Hickory area. Jeremy is our middle son, and he is an engineer in Raleigh, North Carolina. And then Olivia is our daughter, and she is a senior at Porter Ridge High School. We also have 3 fur babies. We have a toy poodle named Sophie, and then our daughter has 2 cats, Chip and Graham. Again, I'm excited to work with you this year and look forward to having everyone in the building all 5 days as we kind of get back to a little more normal life. Thank you.